Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. If you're someone who's planning to start a blog, launch an online store, or create a professional portfolio website, then you're at the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get massive discounts on hosting or web hosting using a special coupon code that's working right now in July 2025. Now we all know that having a website today is not just a trend, it's a must-have, whether you're a student, a freelancer, or even running a business. But the one thing that stops many people from getting started is the cost of web hosting. That's where Hosting comes in. And trust me, with the right coupon code, you can save a lot more than you think. Let me first quickly tell you why so many people, including professionals, trust Hosting. It's one of the most popular hosting providers globally because it offers fast, secure, and affordable hosting. You get things like a free domain name, SSL certificate, 24/7 customer support, and easy one-click installation for WordPress. It's beginner-friendly, reliable, and super affordable, especially if you use the coupon code I'm about to tell you about. So here's the exciting part. With this exclusive coupon code, you can get up to 85% OFF on your hosting plan. That's not just a small discount, it's a massive one, and it only comes around during special campaigns like this July deal. This code gives you a price cut that beats most other promo pages or deals you'll find on random websites. What makes this deal even better is that it auto-applies at checkout. No need to search different forums or try random codes that don't even work. Just click, activate, and enjoy the discounted price instantly. You could be paying as low as a couple of dollars per month for premium shared hosting, which includes everything you need to run a solid website. Imagine getting full website hosting, a free domain, and professional features, all without breaking the bank. And it doesn't matter if you're building